Edge X3 High-Rail Waterjet Cutter, the most flexible and productive waterjet cutter on the market. Got a specialty production need? With Jet Edge, you don't get a cookie cutter solution. We collaborate with our clients up front to configure a waterjet cutting system that will meet and exceed your operational and production goals. An industry leader in the sealing and gasket industry, manufacturing and distributing die-cut gaskets, seals, O-rings, and molded rubber products, approached Jet Edge. Their industry coverage was impressive, selling certified products into the most discerning industries there are: automotive, medical, military, aerospace, electronics, power generation, hydraulics, and many other commercial industries. While they had familiarity with waterjet cutting and knew what cut with water only and what required abrasive, their eyes opened a bit as their production goals were discussed and configuration options reviewed. So, what did we come up with? The Edge X3 High-Rail Waterjet Cutter. With such a broad range of materials and the need to cut to precise specifications, a high rail with a 6-foot by 6-foot table was the chosen platform. On a single Z carriage with a 12-inch travel, a 4-foot spreader bar was mounted. 3 sub-Z carriages, each fitted with a 3-axis cutting head, were attached to the spreader bar. The sub-Z carriages can be manually positioned along the spreader bar and are independently controlled, allowing for the cutting of multiple parts at the same time. Each sub-Z has been motorized, providing an additional 3 inches of vertical travel. 2 of the cutting heads are set up to cut with water only and the 3rd with abrasive. This combination allows for switching between gasket material that requires water only for cutting to material requiring abrasive cutting with no machine setup. A manual dual-cart shuttle system was designed so material loading and finished parts handling could be done while the X3 is cutting the next job. The iGEMS nesting software provides common line cut capabilities, optimizing material utilization. A Hero 50 ultra-high intensifier pump with Jet Smart controls offering rapid setting of pressures, real-time feedback on pump performance, and scheduled maintenance reminders to ensure uptime is maximized and service costs minimized was paired with the system. Welcome to the Jet Edge family. And when you join the Jet Edge family, our relationship is just beginning. Our post-installation support team is committed to our partners' success, ensuring what we promised is what we deliver. We start with a full complement of maintenance support tools that keep your equipment up and running. Your operators are trained in waterjet cutting programming and applications during installation. We make sure you still have access to those resources if you have additional programming questions or if you would like programming help. We also continually update our blog on all things waterjet. Finally, we make finding the right parts you need easy by hosting your owner's manual on your dedicated My Equipment page. Quickly locate the service part you are looking for with one-click order from our e-commerce store and never order the wrong part again. When precision, durability, and productivity are the drivers for your waterjet cutting needs, talk to us at Jet Edge. We partner with you to be sure the system you buy meets them. Waterjet cutting, it's what we do. Are you ready to custom configure your waterjet cutting solution? Visit us online at jetedgewaterjets.com to book a site visit with your regional field expert or call us at 1-800-JET-EDGE.